Now, let's talk about the icon. What is important for that icon? So some icons that you may recall. All right, let's talk about some icons that you may recall. One of them. All right, of course, the icon from Spotify. All right. So if you think about the icon from Spotify, it's very simple. It's this plus this. Yeah, plus this. And then you put a circle on it. That is the Spotify icon. Yeah, that you put some green around and this and that. Yes, of course. Yes, but that is the Spotify icon. Now, let's think about this icon. How many elements you see there? Forget about the circle because the circle is just a container. So forget about it. And you tell me how many elements, how many graphic elements you see there. Well, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. And that is the rule. That is the rule, guys. If you want to develop an icon that makes any sense in these COVID-19 times, that help people to remember what is your brand all about, make sure that your icon only has maximum 3 elements. I'm going to repeat this. Maximum 3 elements. All right, let's talk about another brand icon, like for example, the icon from McDonald's. All right, so you think about the McDonald's icon. How many elements there? 1. 1 element. Easy to do. I can do it 1,000 times. Because it's so easy, and that's why it's so good. And that's why it's so good. So that icon is 1 element. All right? Another icon that is really good. Remember, we don't need logos anymore. Starbucks is so lucky because they were the first in that industry, and that's why people get to know them, and because the brand name is really good, of course. But the icon, the logo, is not good at all. Right now, with that brand icon, they will not be able to survive. It's just too complicated. It's too much. Probably you don't even remember. Another way to do this, if you can draw an icon, if you can remember it and draw it, is because that is such a good icon, you know? So if you think about Adidas, 3 elements in the shoe. Easy, isn't it? 3 elements. If you think about a company like, I don't know, like for example, SOT, School of Digital. 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. Easy to remember. If you think about a company like, for example, I don't know, Apple. One element. So easy. That's how it gotta be. It has to be extremely simple so people can remember it. You know, the Nike icon that we were talking about. 1 element. So my advice to you in this very class is whatever is your icon that represents your brand, you need to make sure that it has maximum 3 elements. Don't forget this. Believe me, it's going to work pretty good for you. And have a look at this. I was just, let me see if I have it here. All right. So this particular logo icon is fantastic. It's just 1 element. And you know what this logo represents? Beats by Dr. Dre. So make sure that you do something like this. And what is this icon? It's just this. That's it. Now, of course, they make it a little bit more beautiful. So it's just like this. All right. But that is one element, not 2, not 3. So my advice to you, maximum, use 3 elements. All right.